In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can create a Remotasks account. You can simply open up a Remotasks account in just few simple steps. To do this, head into any browser. On the Safari search bar, type in Remotasks. Then scroll onto the official website right here. On this page, you will have to first verify that you are eligible to access the program. Just tap on the edit button and enter your phone number right here. Make sure you enter the right number because that's where your verification code is going to be sent. Then after your account will get verified and you will just have to approve your identity to start earning. That's how easy it is to open up your Remotasks account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.